swim through the days, becoming broken. Can I find myself?
PTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision, call sign 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3, requesting permission to enter the port.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Change channel to channel 12.
PTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. I change channel to channel 12. How do you read me?
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. I read you loud and clear. What is your estimated time of arrival?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My estimated time of arrival is 0800 hours 30 of October 2023.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your draft?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My draft is 12.3 meters.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. How many personnel on board?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. We have 3-4 personnel on board.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What is your gross tonnage?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. What cargo do you carry?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. I carry iron ore with gross tonnage of 12,304 metric tons.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Do you have dangerous cargo on board?
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. Yes, we have dangerous cargo on board. 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3.
Motor Vessel Precision, this is BTS Batangas. Your message is understood. Standby on channel 12.
VTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. I will stand by on channel 12. Over and out.